ruining my pretty face for tomorrow. They're ruining my pretty face.
I can't see anything that's happening. It's so dark.
The light.
Do you see me?
Yeah.
Look at the sprinkler.
Yeah?
I don't think this is one from last year. Yeah, this is one from last year.
Airplane! Airplane!
So your water's gonna get kicked over, honey.
You can't see anything that's happening. It's that dark outside.
I think we have the best fireworks.
You do a good job.
Airplane! Mikey, I can't even see you. It's too dark.
Airplane!
I'm just trying to get the fireworks, but this isn't helping.
Fail.
Really fail.
Airplane!
Come on, Dad.
I'm itchy. I'm itchy. I'm itchy. I'm really, really itchy. I like big fireworks again.
I love big
Others get down. Yo, bam!
Jenna
slowly walks backwards for the win.
Shut up, Mikey. Hey, Mikey. Hey, Mikey. The game.
Oh, you just lost. You just lost the game!
Everyone just lost the game. Whoever decided to watch this video, that was stupid.
Airplane!
What video?
I'm taking a video. Small little girl.
Airplane!
I'm itchy. I'm itchy. You don't understand.
Airplane! I'm so itchy. They don't know what else is going on.
Fun in the dark. Fun in the dark. Fun in the dark.
Airplane!
Wait. There's light. There's light. You guys, now everyone can see what's going on. I'm the airplane.
Grand finale coming up.
This is it?
So they turn off the lights
Turn
again.
off the lights so you can't see it.
Finale.
Airplane!
It hasn't been a half an hour yet. Anyway.
Yeah, just lost the game!
Everyone's gonna hate you guys.
The game! The game! Goddammit! Ruffle lol! My rufflecopter goes swuss.
Who should we dedicate this video to right now?
Everyone. Let's dedicate it to Airplane! Let's dedicate it to Ted.
Ted, this video's for you. Because you're watching fireworks now too. That's my swing set. It's on fire. Okay, let's just stick as many mortars to it as possible. Woo! Mikey, quiet.
Asteroid!
Mikey, shh.
That's all we need.
You do it right there?
To come back again next year.
I think they're cheering for us.
I think they were cheering for us. I think we just had the best display in the neighborhood.
Airplane!
Okay, it's really dark, but you guys can talk really loudly about how good you guys did,
Asteroid!
even though no one can see you.
We're
But
the king.
be proud. You guys are the kings.
That was your college tuition going up.
Look at all the smoke. Oh my god.
There's lots of smoke. No one can see it. But there's so much smoke hanging in the air.
We should end it before it becomes obnoxiously long and no one cares anymore.
No one ever cares. What are you talking about? No, it hasn't ended.
Crap.
Can someone say goodbye?
Goodbye!
Bye.
Bye.